so we're going to look through these sorts of problems. So first of all, think, okay, what do we know here? And I sometimes find these problems really, really tricky because it's thinking of knowing where to start. So if you kind of attack it in this way I show you, it will really help. So here we know that a banana and a mango together cost us 37p, but we don't know how much each one is. We know if we buy 3 bananas and 1 mango, then it's going to cost us 71p. So we've got to think, okay, so what do we know here? Okay, how to start? You've got to look and see, okay, what's the same about this? Try to think of the pictures and what's different. So what's the same is that you've got a banana and a mango, a banana and a mango. What's different? The 2 bananas. So the 2 bananas are the difference. There's 2 more bananas in here, then what's that? So if we cancel that, the 2 bananas are the difference. We know the total here is 37p here and the total here is 71p. So we've got to think, okay, so what's the difference? So the difference is 2 bananas and the difference between the amounts is 71 take 37. So we just do, again, don't try and do it in our heads, let's just do a quick jotting. So we know that 2 bananas is equal to 34p. Okay, and we want to find out what 1 banana is. So if we know 2 bananas are 34, what are we going to do to find 1? Yeah, just divide it by 2. So therefore 1 banana, either you could do that in your head or just do a quick little bus stop method. 17p. So we think 1 banana equals 17p. So go back to either problem, but go back to our original one. So if 1 banana is 17p, what would the mango be to make the total 37? Yeah, the mango must be 20p. So that would work, wouldn't it? If that was 20p and that was 17p, add them both together, it would make 37. And then to do your check, as we know, Mrs. Story loves a check, we must check it with our next amount and check that that works. So if we had 3 bananas at 17p, and then you don't have to do it in your, sorry, can't see that at all. Don't have to do that in your head. If you've got more tricky numbers, just do some quick jottings. So that would be 51p, add on 1 mango, which we think is 20p, that would give us 71p. Brilliant, so we know that we're right. Okay, not easy, these problems, but as I say, if you work through those steps, I think it will help. Okay, let's have a look at that. Okay, here we've got sweets and chocolate. So 3 sweets and a chocolate bar is £1.08. And 4 sweets and a chocolate bar is £1.33. So we've got to say, right, what's the difference between what we've got here and what we've got here? We've got 1 chocolate bar in both of them, that's the same. 3 sweets, 3 sweets. So the difference is actually just 1 sweet. In this one here, I've got 1 more sweet. So what's the difference in the amount here? Again, either do it in your head. If you've got more tricky numbers, it's not worth risking it. Sorry, my filming's terrible. Do a quick little so our difference is 25p. So therefore we think that 1 sweet equals 25p. So write that down again. So we think a sweet is 25p. So let's work out using the top one what a chocolate bar would be. So if we have 3 sweets, that would be 75p. So if they cost us 75p, what must the chocolate bar be? Right, so it's going to be £1.08 minus 75p. So therefore I think that the chocolate bar is 33p. Okay, because I know that the sweets 25, 25, 25 and the 33p will add together to give me that. Again, I do my check now, and actually I can do that check in my head because I know I've got 25, 25, 25, 25. That makes £1, and I think the chocolate bar 33p. So £1 of my 33 is £1.33. So I know I must be right. Okay, again, similar sort of thing. Apples here. What's the same? What's different? So here we've got, I'd look at the pictures actually and really use that to help me. Red, green, red, red, green, red. So on this one here we've got 2 more red apples. And what's the difference in the amounts that we've got? It's 67 minus 39. Again, do it in your head. We'll do a quick jotting. So I think that 2 red apples is 28p. So if 2 red apples is 28p, obviously 1 red apple must be 14p. Okay, so if that's 14p and that's 14p, that's 28. And then I think the green must be the difference, must be 11p. I did that in my head, I think, because 11 and 14 gives me 38. And do that all important check by then doing it with my next one. So on my next one I've got 4 red apples, and I think a red apple is 14p. So I think the red apples are 56p. I've got 1 green, so add on my 11p, which gives me 67p. Yeah, and I know that I'm right. Okay. Similar sort of thing for this one here. I'll let you do that example. Okay. And then I've given you some examples for you to try using the same amounts of objects, but obviously different totals. Okay, I hope that helps.